Hello, my name is Thomas Winter. My Unity ID is THWinter, and I'm going to go over the virtual machine provisioning homework that we had to do. I'm going to run my vup script, and as we can see in the VirtualBox Manager, I've deleted the previous VM, and so we can start from scratch here. Now, because my script has me updating the entire, Linux OS, I'm going to pause the video and then I'll just go over what the output afterwards, because this takes a very long time. So we have successfully brought up and have started running the machine, as we can see here on VirtualBox, and just here it is executing the run file, the up file command. So it was waiting for the SSH server, connected, and then it just started downloading or updating node, or installed node, installed git, and we just scrolling past all of this. It also installed the node package manager. Sorry, this is from my previous one. Anyways, we get all the way down here. See, setting up node. And then here we're cloning in the app from the class repository, and we've installed Express and installed FS, which are we use npm to do that. And there we go. We've got the directories listed there, and now we can SSH into it using our SSH command. And here we are. We are in the system. We can go and jump into the app and run node start on 5001. And then we can go into our browser. Since we have port forwarding to port 9000, my Chrome will load. It's being very slow. My goodness. And there we are. We have got communication with our app. And I believe that's everything for the demonstration. We can then, of course, quit that, and we no longer have communication. We can exit the virtual machine. There we go. All right, thank you.